Say hi, Sammy.
Say hi. Say hi to Sammy.
Say easy, Sammy.
Easy. Can you talk to Sammy? Lance, can you talk to Sammy? Can you go say hi, Sammy? Oh, you want to see Sammy on video. Okay, you see Sammy and Daddy? See him? Say hi, Dada. Say hi, Dada. Can you say Dada? Oh, Dada, yeah. Say hi, Sammy. Go say hi. Go give Sammy Can you go give Sammy a hug? And a kiss?
Give Sammy hugs.
Go give Sammy a kiss. I'm recording you and you don't know it. Can you go give Sammy a hug and kiss? Hey.
What did he say?
What did Sammy say? What did Sammy say? You want to see it? Well, you have to wait. You have to wait, mister. Hey, is that your other Sammy? Look, is that Sammy? Is that your other Sammy? Look, right here. Is that your other Sammy right there? Look. Is that your other Sammy? Yes, that's your other Sammy.
Sammy. Sammy 2.
Sammy Jr.
Sammy. 2 Sammys.
Oh, look at the 2 Sammys. Sammy has a baby. Yeah, Sammy has a baby. Hmm? You see that? Oh. Say hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy.
Where's Sammy going? In higher grounds.
Dad, that's Dada. He's looking at you in the screen and he said Dada. Yes, that's Dada.
Where's Sammy?
And Sammy. Can you say Mama?
Mama.
Oh, good job. Can you say Dada? Can you say Papa?
Mama.
Oh, good job. Say Mama.
Papa.
That's say Mama.
Mama.
Look, say I love Mama.
Mama.
Oh, good job. Good job. I think I got him on tape saying I love Mama. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sammy Jr. and Daddy. Okay, you ready, Lynn?